Hey, what's up NFT holders? So this time you can see here the latest update of NFT is on the screen, my friend. All crypto market, you can see this time all crypto market is very badly dumps down, my friend, and falls down completely hour by hour, minute by minute. So what we do in this terrible condition, sell, hold, or buy, and what's the price prediction to upcoming time? The price is increased now or fails more and more. Absolutely, if you know about this today fails down in upcoming time, then absolutely you are completely in the loss. So kindly don't skip any second of this video because it's going to be very important from all of you. So kindly, my brother, before I get started video, I request you to kindly subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification, because ABS Tech channel is update you, is guide you every time. So thank you so much everyone who subscribe. Alright, my friend, if you can see, my friends, they continuously moving at this circulation to after a fails they take a jump, and after a jump they fails down. Yes, exactly, this is reality, my friend. You can see they completely moving at this circulation. After a jump they fails down. You can see here completely the circulation is on the screen. So it's mean, my friend, it's show as to you can see here after this jump they also, after this fails they also take a very good jump. So it's mean to upcoming times they move upward like a rocket. So definitely it's a good time, my friends, to you hold it now, and there is no option to you starting selling. Exactly, there is no option to you starting selling. So kindly don't sell it, hold it and wait for a good time. I hope the price is increased now in upcoming time, because NFT one of the fastest growing, my friend, this time in the crypto market. So kindly hold it, and if you want to research, then absolutely, if you want to invest, then absolutely research personally. This will be going to be very good, my friends, for all of you. So thank you so much, my all brother. If you need this type more informative to the community, subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification. Thanks a lot. Allah Hafiz, take care.